What happens when you start eating chia seeds every day? Imagine a tiny seed packed with enough nutrients to power ancient Aztec warriors. That's chia. These tiny, often overlooked seeds are making a huge comeback for their incredible health benefits. But what actually happens when you make chia seeds part of your daily routine? Today, let's uncover the top 10 ways these super seeds can transform your health, along with a few tips and things to watch out for. 1. Bursting with omega-3s for heart health. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. These omega-3s play a crucial role in supporting heart health by reducing inflammation and helping balance cholesterol levels. In fact, studies show that omega-3s from chia seeds can help reduce blood pressure, one of the main risk factors for heart disease. With just 1 ounce of chia seeds providing about 5 grams of omega-3s, adding them to your daily routine could mean big benefits for your cardiovascular system. Besides their heart-protecting properties, omega-3s are known to support brain health, improve cognitive function, and reduce mental fatigue. Think of chia seeds as your natural brain booster. Whether you're adding them to smoothies or sprinkling them on yogurt, your heart and brain will thank you for the daily dose of these amazing fats. 2. Fiber Powerhouse for better digestion. Chia seeds are an incredible source of fiber, with just 2 tablespoons providing nearly 40% of the daily recommended intake. This high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, reduces constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. The type of fiber found in chia seeds is mainly soluble fiber, which absorbs water and expands in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. By consuming chia seeds daily, you're not only supporting your digestive health, but also potentially aiding weight management due to their filling nature. This little fiber boost could help reduce overeating and, in the long term, assist with maintaining a healthy weight. Adding chia seeds to water, smoothies, or oatmeal is an easy way to harness the digestive benefits of fiber. 3. Protein punch for muscle growth and repair. For those looking to add more protein to their diets, chia seeds are a fantastic choice. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source, which is rare for plant foods. Just 2 tablespoons offer about 4 grams of protein, which can support muscle repair, improve skin health, and keep energy levels steady. The protein in chia seeds also contributes to stabilizing blood sugar levels by slowing down the conversion of carbs into sugar. This can be especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, or anyone looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Mix them with almond milk and let them gel overnight for a protein-packed chia pudding that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. If you're enjoying this video so far, before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 4. High in antioxidants for skin health. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate aging and contribute to various diseases. These antioxidants, including quercetin and camphorol, are great for skin health and can reduce inflammation, helping to keep your skin looking radiant and youthful. Regular consumption of chia seeds may improve skin elasticity, reduce signs of aging, and even help prevent sun damage over time. Plus, the high content of omega-3s and fiber enhances these skin-boosting benefits, making chia seeds a beauty-enhancing food. A spoonful of chia seeds in your smoothie or yogurt daily could be your secret to glowing skin. 5. Supports bone health with calcium and magnesium. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for bone health. Just 2 tablespoons provide 18% of your daily calcium needs, which is a great option for those who may not consume dairy products. Strong bones are crucial for overall mobility and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, especially as we age. In addition to calcium, chia seeds' magnesium content supports muscle function and helps with relaxation, making them a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to strengthen their bones. Adding chia seeds to your meals is a simple way to incorporate these essential minerals into your diet, whether it's in your oatmeal, salads, or even soups. 6. Enhanced energy levels and endurance. Traditionally, chia seeds were used by Aztec warriors and Mayan messengers for sustained energy and endurance. Their unique combination of healthy fats, protein, and complex carbs makes them a slow-burning fuel source, which provides a steady energy boost without the crash that often follows sugary snacks or caffeine. Incorporating chia seeds into your morning meal or pre-workout snack can give you a natural energy lift and improve stamina. Try mixing chia seeds with coconut water and lemon for an energy-boosting drink that's perfect before hitting the gym or a busy day at work. 7. Blood sugar stabilization and reduced cravings. The fiber and protein combo in chia seeds helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, which prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for individuals dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. A study found that people who added chia seeds to their diets had lower blood sugar levels after meals, a promising benefit for those managing diabetes. With stable blood sugar, you're less likely to experience energy crashes or intense sugar cravings. This can make it easier to avoid unhealthy snacks and maintain a balanced diet throughout the day. Consider adding chia seeds to your breakfast smoothie to help stabilize blood sugar and keep cravings in check. 8. A natural detoxifier for a healthier gut. Chia seeds' gel-like consistency when mixed with water acts as a natural detoxifying agent, helping to sweep toxins and waste out of your digestive system. The fiber in chia seeds binds to toxins in the digestive tract, assisting in their removal and supporting liver function. This natural detoxifying effect can leave you feeling refreshed and less bloated. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet daily is a simple and effective way to support your body's detoxification processes. Add them to water with a splash of lemon juice for an easy, natural detox drink that also promotes hydration and overall gut health. 9. Boosts hydration levels. When soaked in water, chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like consistency. This unique property makes chia seeds an excellent hydration aid, as they release water slowly throughout the day, helping to keep you hydrated longer. Proper hydration is essential for digestion, skin health, and energy levels. Adding chia seeds to your water or sports drink can be especially beneficial for athletes or those who exercise frequently. Not only do chia seeds help with hydration, but they also provide an extra dose of nutrients and energy for your workouts. 10. Weight management ally. With high fiber content and a solid dose of protein, chia seeds can be an excellent ally in weight management. The fiber expands in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer, which can prevent overeating and help reduce calorie intake over time. Plus, they're low in calories, making them an easy, nutrient-dense addition to meals. Eating chia seeds can help curb cravings, especially for high-calorie, low-nutrition foods, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating routine. Try adding chia seeds to your daily smoothie or salad to help keep hunger at bay and promote a feeling of fullness. Nutritional facts. A single ounce of chia seeds contains about 137 calories, 12 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of which are fiber, 4 grams of protein, and 9 grams of healthy fats, along with ample calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. They're gluten-free, vegan, and suitable for almost any diet. Risks of eating chia seeds. Despite their benefits, chia seeds should be consumed in moderation. Due to their high fiber content, eating too much too quickly can lead to digestive discomfort or even constipation if not paired with enough water. It's also worth noting that chia seeds expand significantly, so always add them to liquid before consuming them to avoid any choking hazard. Tips for consuming chia seeds. For the best results, soak chia seeds in water or any liquid for 10-15 minutes before consuming. This not only activates the fiber, but also makes them easier to digest. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. If you're new to chia seeds, start with a small amount, like a teaspoon, and gradually increase to avoid digestive issues. With a consistent daily dose, chia seeds can support your health in more ways than you might have expected. Whether you're looking for better digestion, a stronger heart, or more energy, these tiny seeds truly live up to their superfood reputation. If you found this video helpful, watch this next video for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.